this is our Myrtle Beach video. Still just a lot of pictures and captions, but like we said, we weren't really taking video then, and the pictures we're taking on our camera, so not the best quality. But it gives you an idea of a little bit of what we did and where we stayed. So just a brief overview. We got there on November 1st, and we were there till we checked out November 7th?
I believe so.
Yeah, November 7th. So we actually were surprised by the weather.
Yeah, it was pretty good, like 70s, mid-70s, high 70s, a couple days.
We got sunburnt.
Yeah, we got burnt a couple days. We're a little chilly in the mornings.
Yeah. So as you'll see, the pictures are mainly of the campground and the resort. Such a nice resort, and I'll let Chuck talk about that. So we took a ton of pictures because we wanted to document how beautiful it was. And then we spent a ton of time at the beach. We went out to dinner, we looked at a few things, but we didn't really get a ton of pictures outside the campground. So that's pretty much what you'll see. But Chuck, if you want to talk about the campground.
Yeah, I mean, by and large, we just stayed in the campground for the most part, like she said, other than dinners, a couple of shops and whatnot, but nothing over the top. But we loved the campground. The bathroom, shower houses were amazing, and we had full hookups. $37 maybe off season, but like I said, we still got 75. You know, 78 degrees. So
we opted to use the shower house numerous times, even though we had full.
Yeah, just coming off the beach with all the sand, it was just easier. Just boys get in the shower house, strip down, get everything off of you. You know, that way there's just not a whole bunch of sand built up into the gray tanks and in the shower and everything else. So it made that easier. The pools were amazing. They had an outdoor pool, big L pool, two small wading pools, an indoor pool, arcade. They had a water park which was closed because we were out of season.
But it looked awesome.
I mean, big water slides, zero entry, lazy river, just fantastic. Most of the golf carts everywhere. You could rent them. We rented one for like $20 for a day, which the boys loved. Just cruising the strip, you know, of the campground.
Yeah. I wish I would have got pictures of the laundry facility.
Yeah,
it was like a public laundromat. It was huge,
but super clean. Everything was just very clean, very high end.
Super friendly staff.
I think it was like $90 peak season, but $37 off season. Like I said, good weather, so not really a big deal there. But
we also agreed we would like to go back during peak season when it's a
little
little hotter and all the pools are open. It would be worth the money, even at the expensive rate.
I think almost every site was pulled through for the most part. I don't remember seeing any back-end sites. I think they were all pulled through sites. You're talking 400, 500, 600 sites that are all pulled through. Full hookups. Majority of them were concrete pads with big areas where, you know, we have like a 9 by 12 mat, and it went all the way to the stayed on the concrete. So I mean, it was big. Picnic tables.
We should probably tell you what campground.
Yeah,
it was Ocean Lakes Family Campground.
Yes, Ocean Lakes Family Campground, and it, like I said, by far had exceeded my expectations.
Well, we've been to 5 campgrounds now.
Is it County Park? We're in County Park.
I don't know. But we've been to 5 or 6 campgrounds now. It's all blending in. Yeah. And the boys still talk about Myrtle Beach.
Yeah.
They call it the deck campground. There was a big, I guess it's kind of like a deck.
Yeah, big deck.
But it had like a overlook for the beach. And they said they want to go back to the deck campground. So it's stuck with us. So if you're interested in taking your camper to Myrtle Beach, I would highly recommend Ocean Lakes Campground. It absolutely 2 thumbs up. It was amazing. And I can't say enough about the staff. Everybody there was super helpful. Friendly. I mean, we pulled in with no reservations. Said, "Hey, we want beachfront as close to the beach as possible." 6 day weeks. She said, "Well, we got 6 days, second row. Absolutely, we'll take it." Yeah. So it ended up turning out great, and we highly recommend it. Yeah. Anything you want to add? No, that's it. Spent like I said, a lot of time at the beach. When you're at a campground that night, you don't really want to leave. In fact, the couple times we left, at the end of the day, we said, we should have just stayed at the campground. Yeah, allow dogs on the beach. You know, that's another thing with our dog. You know, we always want to take them with us on the beach if we can. And nobody said anything, and there were other people with dogs, so it pretty much fit everything we needed for everybody in our family. Yeah. So that's it. Yeah, with that being said, here's the pictures we have from that trip. On to the next stop. Thank you.